Okay, so this is my assignment 5. So if I go ahead and run this, we'll be able to see the auto-generated terrain here. You can see the bird on the left flying and the camera moving accordingly. It auto positions itself between the bird and the wood block there. So let me try this again so we can look at it some more. I don't have any of the collision detection set up with the ground and the bird and the block. But as you can see, the controls are working, so as you turn the bird, the thrust act accordingly, and the camera moves as it's supposed to. So if we go in here in my game.cpp, I just have a new terrain being generated with the 2 endpoints that I'm giving it. So if we go into the terrain, it's using the midpoint displacement algorithm in here. So it's creating an array with 256 segments. Through here, it's using the algorithm to get the exact x and y points. And this array is an array of B2 vectors. And then down here, I'm looping through the array of points and drawing the terrain segments. I don't have them set up as definitions on the body. They're just individual static bodies, but it all works out the same. And I have the seed set, so it's not random. It's just 20 right now. But I also have the camera auto zoom, which if we look at here, it's just getting the screen width and height and generating the aspect ratio. Through here, it's determining which side the objects are of each other for 2 of them. And then depending on the distance between them, it's determining whether or not the height needs to be set or the width needs to be set, depending on the aspect ratio. And then it's just repositioning the camera, and that gets called once every frame. So that's my assignment 5. I'm going to move over to my project here, show you what I've got. So right now I have the auto zoom camera set up in here. I need to tile the background. Right now the edge is actually 0, 0, but because of the camera moving, it's moved everything. So I have the bird set up with states in the sling. So as you can see, I can move my mouse and the bird only pulls back so far. I don't have the sling actually being rendered yet. When we let go, the bird flies and knocks all the objects over. I can hit space to reset. Shoot it up here. If I right click, I can create an explosion. I need to set up a timer manager in the future so that I can remove these and animate the explosions and reset the birds accordingly. But yeah, so that's where I'm at with my project so far.